Welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so here we're being given a passage and a map here. We're going to use that information to answer the next few questions. On the map here, you can see that there's an epicenter highlighted here. Okay, this is the epicenter of an earthquake that occurred about 1700 years ago in Crete. So scientists have located that fault off the coast of Crete, It's in the Mediterranean Sea. It caused a huge earthquake in the year 365. So the southwest coastal region of Crete was uplifted. They found evidence of corals and other sea life now found on land 10 meters above sea level. Also, the earthquake caused a tsunami that devastated the southern and eastern coasts of the Mediterranean Sea. It's estimated that earthquakes along the fault associated with the Hellenic Trench may occur about every 800 years. All right, our first question is, which type of plate boundary is represented at point A? Okay, we see the plate boundary here and the relevant arrows. Our key that I've copied down here is from your reference booklet. You can see that this is the plate boundary that's represented, so our correct answer is 3, a transform plate boundary. And the next question is asking about the names of the tectonic plates X and Y. So we're going to want to, once again, go to our reference booklet, to this page. All right, if we zoom in on this section, that is approximately where we are looking at. So plate X right here is the Eurasian plate, and plate Y is the African plate. Our correct answer is 1. All right, the next question asks, which New York State index fossils, we're looking for 2 of them, are most closely related to the corals that were radioactively dated in this study. So let's look at the geologic history of New York State to find out some index fossils. All right, so looking at these fossils, we're looking for corals closely related to the corals in the Mediterranean are likely going to be these corals. Okay, so our index fossils are V, U, and T, which go down here. These 3. Our correct answer is going to be 4. Those are 2 of those ones identified. And lastly, which activity could best prepare residents along the Mediterranean coast to reduce the loss of human life during a future tsunami? Okay, so make sure you understand what a tsunami is, and you should be able to see that the only thing that is really going to help reduce human life, reduce the loss of human life, is if people have evacuation routes to higher ground in the event of a tsunami. All right, thank you for using JD's Prep.